Yeah, good afternoon everyone. Paresh Desai. Welcome for this session. आज का जो market session है and if you got any questions you can put it in the chat box. Audio the same questions audio may not be enabled लेकिन अगर आपका कुछ सवाल है तो chat box में जरूर डालना. If you want also have to review certain stocks towards the end we will review some stocks if you want to. Okay, so today's session we'll be saying how the market review is about what the market is doing. We are into the second week, okay, of 2022. So how it is so far on the markets, and also towards the end I might suggest you some stocks, although as I said I'm not into advisory, right? So we are purely on the basis of the technical analysis. What are the stocks which I think could be giving a good move, or some might have already given a good move? So those I will discuss 2 or 3 stocks, and if you want you can decide what to do, right? So let us get started. So आज का market session पे चलते. We'll go directly to the market, which is your Nifty. And in Nifty, what do I see is yeah, this is what is the candle which is formed, right? आज का जो candle है green candle है, okay. And in the green candle today, if it opened gap down. कल का एक doji था and it had opened above this resistance. इस resistance के ऊपर था, और आज एक green candle opening here and closing here, so this is a good sign. Okay, had this been a red candle it would have probably become a evening star, then obviously that was not a good sign, especially at a major resistance. So एक resistance के ऊपर ही close हुआ है, so that's a positive sign, and it looks like we are on the road to meeting this point of 18,600 at least. Okay, and from here to here if you find that the trend is up, और ट्रेंड के लिए क्या देखना है? लाइन चार्ट देखना है. Okay, simple. Line chart, we are seeing that line chart is up. So on weekly things are good on this candlestick pattern, or so on the daily pattern, sorry, on the daily it is good. Let us see on weekly how is it. Weekly, like this was like a morning star, then there was a confirmation, and this week again going up. Now एक छोटा सा दूर का एक जो ट्रेंड लाइन आ रहा था यहाँ से, okay, so hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully it should not take a resistance here, okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक breakdown था few weeks back in November. There was a breakdown, okay. So not that I'm trying to scare you or something, but अगर यहाँ पर एक ये resistance देगा, which would be like a resistance, this trend line which was broken, ये weekly का trend line breakdown हुआ था, और अगर यहाँ पर resistance लेता है next week तो, okay. So I'm not saying कि resistance लेगा या नहीं भी लेगा. Again, next 100 meters, what we see. So if we see that the price is coming inside this, very good. Okay, why? Because then we'd expect the price to move up to at least 18,600 and even way beyond. Even by the time when if we see this, okay, ये इतना correction था, so almost like a 12% correction. Okay, from 18,600 से लेकर जब 16,500 or 400 के आसपास गया था, ये एक 15-20 almost 12% का correction था. It was quite heavy, right? So this also was a correction which was around 9%, 10%, और ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा था, and people are thinking कि क्या again the bearish trend has straightened or what. And there was this long-term trend line which was broken down. Okay, ये long-term trend line is from the time we started, from what? From March 2020, and almost like 1.5 साल का ये इतना बड़ा ट्रेंड लाइन है, और यहाँ पर ब्रेकडाउन होने के बाद आज वापस उसी ट्रेंड लाइन को नीचे से रीटेस्ट हो रहा है. सो इफ थिंग्स आर ओके एंड if the price closes above the trend line, positive sign, and the price the market is going to go even much more higher than what we have here. Okay, so something like sometimes this can happen where it might come below, but then again it breaks out and goes above. Okay, many times that might happen, and even so let us remain bullish. I am bullish, but just one thing which if at all it has to happen, and a correction might happen, or it might go sideways for some time because it is resting on this. Okay, so it may go sideways possibly when you find that everything is like very bullish, and that is the time possibly you find ये क्या हो गया market में, you know, like things were so good, now suddenly why the market is crashing. तो एक यहाँ पर ऐसा हो सकता है if this is taken as a resistance. Okay, so be careful about this, what happens next week. So again, it might just take a resistance for probably a candle or so, and then might go up. Okay, again 100 200 meters trade. What you see is a simple mantra which we follow. आपको क्या दिखता है वो आप trade करो. Individual stocks may or may not follow in the same line. Individual stocks आपके अगर मान लो are not in the similar scenario, then possibly things could be much better there, and that same scenario may not be applicable there. So sometimes we have seen that the stocks which are underperforming, sometimes stocks we are seeing are performing equal to the market, sometimes they're performing better than the market. So that those would be overperforming stocks. So overperforming अगर stocks है तो मार्केट से कई ज्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म करते रहेंगे, और अगर एक अंडर परफॉर्मिंग है, in that case obviously they will not be even somewhere close to their earlier highs. ठीक है, so this was a weekly view. Now let us go on the monthly view. Monthly view में जो यहाँ पर एक this thing had come, okay, there was like an inverted hammer and sort of a morning, sort of an evening star. That thing is now, that threat looks like it is gone. But ultimately, when will this thread go? When the price closes above this. ठीक है, अगर इसके ऊपर जाता है तो then things can be better. Now, once the price starts moving up, as I told you that trend line is a dynamic concept. तो आपको trend line बाद में revise करेंगे. For further use, your next trend line is going to be from here. Okay, आगे का कोई भी अगर move आता है तो आपको ये point पकड़ना है, पहले का नहीं. Okay, so now you got a new point of reference. So trend line being a dynamic concept, remember that next time onwards आपको ये point पकड़ना है, not any other point, which will be quite conservative. And this month, now we are halfway through this month, January. Today is 14th January, and agar this month closes above this, then the effect of this inverted hammer would be gone, and you can expect one more time a good move in the next few months to come. And anyway, most of the time you would have found that January, February, March, this is a good season, which like when the people are back from the holidays, and then there's a new beginning of the year, and everybody wants to earn money, everybody wants to invest. Okay, all these FIIs, DIs, they will start planning their strategies and all. And so in general, this the first few months would be considered as a positive positively. And if it is going up, which normally happens, like sometimes it's called that ye abhi season hoga, abhi chalu ho raha hai. Okay, towards the end, November, December normally is not a season, and that's what we saw would have happened here. November, December, the market was down. Okay, so October, November, December, 3 महीना market यहाँ पर नीचे था. So, and after this, now what is happening is the price, if it this month, if it closes up, then obviously you will find that the inverted hammer का जो threat था, that would be gone. Even now, if you see this price is much above the inverted hammer zone, so things are still good. More chances of going up rather than coming down. So let's see what happens actually in the next by the time the month also finishes. So this was the view on the market. About the Nifty, so Nifty is positive. Look out for good stocks towards the end. If you wait till the end, I'm going to discuss 3 stocks which are good, and probably you can think of you can consider them for long term also. Okay, so medium to long term, not all could be long term. So this was Nifty on daily, weekly, and on monthly. Now let us go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also like what? This is a trend which is a uptrend on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also, so banking sector is also positive. Like 2-3 महीना कभी भी correction होगा, right? You see that whenever in the past also, okay, 2-3 months it is down, again it goes up. 2-3 months it is down, again it goes up. So this is a normal trend. जैसे बोलता हूँ आपको ना कोई भी चीज आपको एक्सेप्ट करनी है. Things unless you accept them, it becomes difficult for you to understand. कोई भी चीज पहले एक्सेप्ट करो, हाँ ये ऐसा ही चलने वाला है, then you are like at peace with that thing, and then you start understanding it. You understand, okay, this is how it's going to move, and you can actually do something about it. And as I said, this applies to everything in life. कोई भी चीज आपको अगर आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो, जैसे मार्केट में मैं चेंज नहीं कर सकता, I can't do anything about the market. Okay, I have to follow the market. The market is not going to follow me. So same thing. So the thing what you have to apply is that accept the way the market moves. Okay, only when you accept, then you'll be able to understand things, and only when you understand, you will be able to take benefit of the moves in the market. So यहाँ पर एक this month is I'm at the highest time frame. So monthly time frame is good on Bank Nifty. Weekly time frame is like this. So last 2 weeks back, we had seen that there was a breakout on वीकली टाइम फ्रेम, तो ये जो ऐसे ब्रेकआउट था यहाँ पर एक, सो लास्ट वीक देयर वाज अ ब्रेकआउट एंड दिस ब्रेकआउट हैज कंटिन्यूड, यहाँ पर एक इन्वर्टेड हैमर आ गया बट ऑन वीकली, सो दैट इज फाइन. Okay, it is not exactly at the top. And on daily time frame, what I see is the daily time frame it is up, but that you are going to get some red candles. Sometimes the price is going to come down. It is, as I said, natural, quite normal, or this would still be considered as a small correction. ये भी correction है, ये भी correction है, ये भी correction है. So corrections आने वाले ही है, but these are again opportunities for you. Rather than buying when the price is going up, you know, जैसे यहाँ पर steep price पे खरीदने से अच्छा है कि you buy when there is some correction, buy when there is some sideways movement का breakout. You get something called as a foothold. I give an example of a mountaineer when he's climbing up on the mountain, he would like to get a foothold, right? Just imagine someone is climbing on a mountain on the mountain. So अगर एक foot he wants to put 1 foot on the higher up, right? He will first find whether he's getting a foothold or not. तो आपको एंट्री जब भी लेना है ना, तभी आप देखो कि हाँ कुछ फुटहोल्ड मिल रहा है कि नहीं. ये एक फुटहोल्ड है. ओके, यहाँ से जब भी प्राइस ऊपर गई, ये फुटहोल्ड है. यहाँ पर फुटहोल्ड नहीं है, here there is no foothold. Okay, so now if the price goes up from here, here there could be another foothold. So foothold would be anything where the price has gone sideways. Sideways के बाद आप देखते हो कि breakout है, and then entries would be very good. जैसे अगर यहाँ पर एक hammer आ गया and the price closing above the hammer on Monday, then this only becomes your stop loss. Okay, why? Because this was a correction for 2-3 days. जैसे 38,800 से लेके 38,000 हो गया. So Bank Nifty down by what, around 800 points? Yeah, approximately 800, because that was the highest point. कल तो yesterday was Thursday, which was the weekly expiry, and weekly expiry, you know that sometimes there can be some official way in which the FIIs and DIs can actually manipulate the market. And can you see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? 10 days consistently, if the price has moved from 34,700 to 38,700, 4,000 move, 4,000 points. So 10% move from here, 10% move from here. Don't expect that it is going to continue in the same way up. Okay, थोड़ा तो correction होगा, और correction जो अगर होता है ना तो वो अच्छी बात है. जितना ज्यादा steep move होता है, that much more the riskier the move becomes. Okay, so even if let's say next week, if it comes something like up to here and then goes up, I would still consider that as a healthy sign. Remember Daag Achhe, that surf ad which says ke Daag Achhe, when the kids play, obviously the kid is getting some experience also. So from there, that viewpoint, we are saying that Daag Achhe. और यहाँ पर Daag Achhe क्यों है? Because अगर correction नहीं आता है, if there's a sharp move up, then it is that much more riskier as a trade. Okay, and don't enter like this. This would be chasing here. यहाँ पर enter करते तो ये chasing होता है. Okay, यहाँ पर enter करो. Okay, or when you get a support and then price moves up from there, enter over there. Okay, so this sector looks good. Banking sector, as I said, weekly में trend अभी भी ऊपर है. Now, can you see the weekly trend? If those of you can't spot it, let me just show you the weekly trend. So the weekly trend is from simply drawn. If I want to draw, can you see? This is a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This was what? Higher high, higher low. Now what do you expect? Probably like this, or it's gone too far. Okay, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So if this is how you're getting, then आपका entry यहाँ पर चाहिए, यहाँ पर चाहिए, यहाँ पर चाहिए, यहाँ पर चाहिए. Not when it is gone up. Okay, because when you buy here, you have to wait for this period, and then that is frustrating. Yes, no? How many of you will agree with this? If you're chasing and the price does not go up, it is frustrating. If you think that yes, it is frustrating, just type yes. And so I know that yes, you have gone through this experience, and I'm sure that every one of you have gone through, including me. Okay, I have done so many mistakes in the past where I have chased the market. Okay, price ऊपर जाती थी, fear of missing out, FOMO. यहाँ से और ऊपर जाएगी, and enter. I mean, so many times I have made this mistake, and if I am telling you that yes, this is some mistakes which I have done, then it is said like if you are doing your mistake yourself, it is better to learn from others' mistakes. So learn from my mistakes. Whatever I share in my trainings, I'm telling you purely mainly from my experiences, what mistakes I've done, and how I have improved the trades, and also the other part, which is the technical part. So learn from my mistakes. You can make your own mistakes also, but don't make too many of them also. Okay, and don't make the risky moves like entering at this point. So entry over here is good, entry over here is good, entry over here is good. So look out for these type of entries and then enter. Agar nahi milta to, then just have that discipline and tell yourself, I'm not going to trade. And that is, my dear friends, it's very difficult. Yes, no, कि यहाँ पर trade नहीं करना, यहाँ पर trade नहीं करना. It is a very difficult proposition, because anyone would get tempted to buy here. Anyone would get tempted to buy here, right? So अगर यहाँ पर नीचे आती है price, only then you have to consider taking a trade. Okay, so I'll just remove this. So if you see here, the trend is up from here very much, right from the time when we started from March 2020, यहाँ से लेके अभी तक the trend is up. Okay, so coming back to this thing, yeah, just a sec. So let us go to the next part. So this was Bank Nifty. Let us go to some other sectors. Okay, one sector which is there is Nifty. Let us start with Nifty IT and some other sectors also. Okay, so how is IT sector? IT sector is up. This was sideways for a long time, और ये वीक भी अच्छा था IT के लिए. And individual stocks, if you see stock price, possibly let us see TCS, or if I see TCS is on, this was TCS on daily. Only thing यहाँ पर जब भी, if you find that the stock is come near the resistance, okay, यहाँ पर एक resistance था, which was quite a strong resistance. Okay, one more time this resistance was met. Price is coming at the same resistance after a long time. Okay, so avoid these type of entries, please. Okay, थोड़ा अगर आपको, you might feel tempted कि price is, the trend is up, wait for a foothold. यहाँ पर foothold अभी तक मिला नहीं है. Okay, possibly there could be some correction here and then move up. Okay, especially for TCS, because it is near this earlier high. Okay, if we see like Infosys, if I see Infosys, where is Infosys? Infosys possibly might be at a, it is already on made, it has already crossed the earlier resistances. Okay, so Infosys इसके ऊपर close हो गया. So that same threat is not there for Infosys. Why? Because it has crossed this resistance. तो जब भी आप कोई भी ये देखते हो, okay, when you are seeing any price level, see to it whether it has crossed that resistance or not. Resistance cross नहीं किया तो रुको. जैसे अगर कल anyone waiting for entering into Infosys yesterday would have been better to wait till today. Okay, end of the day. 3:30 बजे मार्केट क्लोज होता है, आप 325, 325, 327, 328 को भी ट्रेड ले सकते हो अगर आपको एंट्री लेना है, which would be like an aggressive trade. तो यहाँ पर इंडिकेशन आ गया, कंफर्मेशन नहीं आया. So you have to understand with that concept also कि इंडिकेशन के बेसिस पर ही सिर्फ आप ट्रेड ले रहे हो, इसके ऊपर आ गया. So थोड़ा क्वांटिटी आप कम कर सकते हो. अगर आपको x क्वांटिटी ले रहा है तो let's say you take only 0.10 or 0.20 x, right? And then when the price moves up from here, you could add upon that. So if you are taking a trade near the resistance, ideally let the resistance get crossed. This would be an aggressive trade today. Conservative trade would be when on Monday the price remains above this at least, or हो सकता है it might come for a retest. Okay, जैसे I told you that 8 or 9 out of the stocks which break out, they do come for a retest. So अगर Infosys Monday को retest के पास आता है, then that would be a good level to enter. Or and what do we see on weekly? The weekly the trend is up. This was like a breakout. और ये weekly का target भी काफी अच्छा है. You know the study how to take out the target. So ये target find out करो. I think it is easily going up to 2,200 or something. Okay, so this was Nifty IT. Let us go to Nifty FMCG, because FMCG certain stocks are down today. Okay, so FMCG का अगर देखते हैं, so let us see that what's wrong with this. So FMCG stocks, if I see, they are still looks like the correction may not be over yet. Okay, so let's see what is there in the on weekly time frame. What do we analyze? So एक ये breakout हो गया है, but with this breakout, the breakout would be better if it goes above this candle, because this is like a big candle, or ये candle would be like a whole zone, entire zone from here to here. Okay, entire zone from here to here is like your gray zone, or like call it like a yellow zone. Okay, from here it could be sideways. Above this, if it goes, then still it would be a good indication. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो evenings, the morning, sorry, this would like a morning star zone है, ये not evening star, morning star का zone है, इसके ऊपर close होने दो, right? If it closes above the morning star zone, then it would be a good sign. ठीक है, so ये sideways. Below this, obviously, there's a stop loss. You exit. Above this, you can take a fresh entry also. So this is about the index. Now let us see individual stocks, like we had seen for HLL. There was a fall in HLL. So Hindustan Lever Limited, there was a on daily there was a fall like this. Okay, so ये fall अगर हुआ है, तो possibly what could be the remedy for that? Okay, so this was like a breakout. And after a breakout, if this comes for a retest, can't say whether it may or may not. Okay, because this was like a sharp fall in only HLL. I don't know whether this is because of news related only due to for HLL. If anybody knows, you can put in the chat box, and we'll see it later on. If we see other stocks like Nestle and all, is there the same thing in other stocks also? Yes, Nestle also ऐसा ही हो रहा है. Okay, and if you see, like for example, T-Mart. Okay, so little sideways. Okay, T-Mart is also like crash flash 2-3 days. Then we take Nestle, HLL, Britannia. Britannia is not as bad as possibly HLL. Okay, so if I compare these two, Britannia, and if I compare HLL, okay, almost you can say a little similar. Tata Consumer, yes, you can see Tata Consumer also. If you see Tata Consumer Products, Tata Consumer Products is different. Here there's a breakout today, which is there. And with this breakout, if you see, this is a stock which we had seen in our last meeting. Okay, Tata Consumer Products. So Tata Consumer Products daily mein aisa agar if you're getting a good breakout, and on weekly and monthly, see how is the trend. Can you see the trend is up? So this would be more like a Morningstar effect, or Morningstar effect ke upar agar close hota hai. One more time, this can be a good stock to enter into. तो यहाँ पर एंटर करो गाइस, नॉट ओवर हियर व्हेन द प्राइस इज गोइंग अप, एंड कीप इट लाइक अ डिसिप्लिन. ऐसा दिखेगा तो ही एंटर करना है, वरना नहीं करना है. इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर मी टू टेल यू, and been very difficult for me to practice this thing, which when I had made mistakes myself. Okay, so just see how you can have that much discipline. Thoda time lagya. Now I don't enter these type of trades. Okay, but after having taken many trades where I've made that mistake. Okay, so if you make that mistake, and I've burnt my hands by doing that mistake in terms of the losses, in terms of having to wait in the market, having your capital stuck for a long time. तो अगर आपको 10 में से एक हाथ 2 स्टॉक्स ऊपर भी अगर जाता है तो जाने दो. ओके, डोंट बी इन अ हरी टू एंटर इनटू द स्टॉक. Keep a standard formula that at least I'll go only when I see something like this. Otherwise, I'm not going to enter into the stock. Okay, so next, yes, we can go to the realty sector also and see what is realty doing. So FMCG, subject to the individuals, your stop loss and target. FMCG in Nifty Realty looks like it looks good on weekly, which looks like this. So again, weekly the trend is up. Can you see so many weeks the trend is up? And from here, rather than buying here, would have been better to buy after this hammer, or even now after the breakout. Okay, your weekly pay. Daily, what's the situation? Daily it has come up. Okay, and if you see stocks like Oberoi Realty or Godrej. So Oberoi Realty is better than the index because Oberoi Realty का तो breakout यहाँ पर हुआ था, and Oberoi Realty is an overperformer as compared to the Nifty realty sector. Sometimes these support trend lines also are great. Look at this. The price coming near the support, and a stock like Oberoi Realty, when you know that it's a really great stock, and it comes for a support here. Okay, coincidentally I could see this, so I said, okay, let me just show this. So ऐसे supports के पास आता है, and then you get like a hammer, and then price going up. You get at a very low price with a very small stop loss. Okay, so right over here only somebody could have taken here. थोड़ा aggressive trade होता है यहाँ पर. There is no confirmation in terms of any candle pattern, but only this is the only pattern which is a hammer, and if it is near a support, hammer ka confirmation ke baad, let's say over here, this day also there was no confirmation. Okay, here also I would not call this as a confirmation, but I could call this as a confirmation because it is close above the hammer. So hammer के ऊपर अगर close होता है next candle, then that can also be taken as a aggressive entry. और अगर आप conservative हो तो wait for a breakout like this. Okay, wait for a breakout. Okay, so entry could have been over here, and after that the price is from 875 to 975, 100 rupees up from this breakout also. So realty sector is looks good. So if we go to Godrej, properties, Godrej property is like this. So Godrej properties में काफी sideways है. After breakout, it is still not made so much ground. Okay, so it is still long way to go up to here, 2600, and now it is what, like 1964. Okay, but this would still be a better time to buy rather than buying here when it suddenly had shot up over here. Okay, and if you find that something like this steep increase, then understand that steep increase के बाद काफी बार क्या होता है, the price comes back almost like 80-90% retracement. So यहाँ से यहाँ अगर देखोगे तो almost 90% retracement है. Okay, so weekly trend, again trend is up. Just look here. ट्रेंड फिर भी ऊपर ही मिलेगा आपको, लेकिन ये जो शार्प मूवमेंट्स आते हैं ना, अवॉइड एंट्री ऑन दो शार्प मूवमेंट. अगेन गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टी इज अ गुड स्टॉक, नॉट एट ऑल अ बैड स्टॉक. एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट टाइमिंग इन द मार्केट. ओके, कौन से टाइम पे आप एंटर करते हो. यहाँ पर आपने एंटर किया मान लो 2600 इन अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, probably February. 5 months are gone. Okay, so person who is here after 5 months, his ROI is 0. Okay, whereas if you're starting here and from 2000 to 2600, like 600 rupees over 2000 is what, 30% ROI from year to year when Godrej Properties goes up. Okay, so Godrej Properties is probably could be a good pick if you're looking for a realty sector. And another one which is there, which is Lodha, which is also called as Macrotech. Let's see what's happening in Macrotech. Okay, so Macrotech mein weekly it's like this. The trend is still up. Can you see what the trend is still up? Any fresh entry, this would be like a stop loss. लेकिन आपको daily में कुछ ये चाहिए. You want something to some candlestick pattern on daily. Okay, ऊपर आने के बाद काफी sideways है. Let's say if there is like a breakout here in the next 2-3 days, this also could be good. And this is Macrotech. So Macrotech is the owner of the Lodha group. Okay. Motherson Sumi, Natasha, you want to see? Okay, yes, we'll see. Aurobindo, okay, we are seeing that Aurobindo before that. Aurobindo did not break out. Right, so we had seen that there was like an inverted, like this was a breakout, and then we had seen here like a inverted head and shoulders. Okay, inverted head and shoulders. The price did come down today. Okay, यहाँ पर नीचे आ गए. Good. So if it has come below this, this also can happen because this is a market. Okay, you can't say that this was my inverted head and shoulders. How dare the price comes below this? ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोल सकते because we have to see what the Market does, and market is, we have to follow the market. Okay, market is not going to follow us. Only thing in this, the positive time, what you can you see something positive from here to here? Okay, the movement from here to here, do you see anything positive as of now? Okay, so positivity you can see from here is what? Yeah, price does not follow any rules. Absolutely. No, price does not follow any rules, but we have to understand the rules. There are certain rules. ऐसा कुछ ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी rules नहीं है. Price का अपना rules है. It's not going to follow our rules. Okay, it has got its own rules, and every time the rules can be different. So there is the catch, that price has got its own rules, and every time the rules can be different. And as long as you understand that rules, it is fine. Even now, okay, even now, if I see the trend, let us see what is the trend like. Okay, so this was up here, higher high, higher low, higher high, and even now, what do you think? Is this a lower high, a lower low, or a higher low? Look at the lows. This was the lowest low, higher low, higher low, and even a higher low. Okay, so possibly now Monday closing above this could start one more rally from here. Okay, so sometimes this also happens where the price comes inside the inverted hammer, inverted head and shoulders. And if something like this happens, now what, how to maneuver, that's all you can do, right? जैसे आप कोई गाड़ी चला रहे हो, आपने देखा कि 100 मीटर्स तक रास्ता सीधा है, बाद में आप देख रहे हो कि 100 meters के बाद ना there's the road only is turning U-turn. Then can you say, no, I went 100 meters straight, now here also I'm going to go straight? Obviously not. You're going to move your car in that direction the way the road is going, right? You're going to take a U-turn. You're not going to go into the fields directly. So if the road is taking a U-turn, you have to maneuver your trade accordingly and see whether you want to exit or you want to remain in the trade. Okay, so this is a good example where जो हमने सोचा था उसके हिसाब से शायद नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, तो we will still see that what can be done now. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? What we have to do is now decide your new stop loss. So if you have not exited, because probably what happened would have been that the price closed below your stop loss. ठीक है, यहाँ पर अगर stop loss याद है, stop loss के नीचे close होगी. ठीक है, if you have exited, then that would be the scenarios जहां पर आपने 10 में से मैंने बोला कि 5 सही जा सकते हैं, 5 गलत जा सकते हैं. तो if exited, then that is okay. You have booked your loss and you have exited. Acha, if you are still not exited this, or you are looking for a fresh entry, you can take this only as your stop loss. Okay, ये stop loss लेके आप enter कर सकते हो, and price move up again, moving up above this, you can expect where the price can go. तो एक target होगा, पहला target would be this, second target would be the target of the inverted head and shoulders. Okay, so whatever the price, however the price moves, you should have a solution for that. तो यहाँ से यहाँ अगर मैं देखता हूँ तो the price is still in an uptrend only. Okay, so a lot of suggestions today. Pharma, let me get that name, let me just see. Pharma Polycap. What is Pharma Polycap? You want to say only Polycap? There's nothing called as Pharma Polycap. Polycap, so Polycap India. Okay, Polycap India, if you're seeing, then there is, yesterday there was a breakout of this sideways movement. ठीक है, ऐसे sideways movement का अगर breakout होता है, then those still are good breakouts. See, so much time sideways. At the same time, you can see other stocks. So if you see one stock has given a breakout, look at other stocks also कि उन्होंने भी breakout दिया हुआ है. For example, other side would be something like Havells. Havells is still sideways only. Okay, Havells ने अभी तक ये नहीं दिया, because Havells would be again in a similar field, not exactly the same one. Okay, then yeah, but before that there was some other suggestion to see. Yeah, since when we come to the auto sector, we'll see that Motherson Sumi. So this was for the sector which was for realty. Then let us come to Nifty Auto. Nifty auto में देखते हैं, and if time permitting, then we will see the other stocks which you have suggested. Okay, so if you see Nifty auto is movement is good on daily, weekly is also good, monthly also it is good. Possibly it might come here one more time. Okay, so monthly, which was a pre-COVID high, pre-COVID in 2017. So from 2017 to 2020, auto sector was in a downtrend, and now it is in an uptrend last so many months from 2000 March 2020. Okay, Tata Motors, one of the components, if you find that is also somewhere again nearing the earlier high of 2017. 2017 का जो high था जहां से price नीचे आ गई थी, it is still approaching that price. Okay, and month over month, if I find now on the highest time frame, I think around 600 would be easily possible. So if you are invested in Tata Motors, probably you can wait for this resistance to come. Okay, and then take a decision what to do after that. Okay, resistance के बाद price नीचे आती है, ऊपर जाती है, you can decide accordingly what to do. Okay, if you see other stocks, like if you want Motherson Sumi, which is a stock in auto sector, so Motherson Sumi was down today. Okay, I don't know the reason, but could be a fundamental reason, or if it has come down, so यहाँ से technical reason let us see. नीचे आने का एक फंडामेंटल रीजन भी एक हो सकता है कि इसका एक earlier it had already gone to this resistance. ठीक है, एक ये resistance already आ गया है. इस resistance के बाद, okay, what you find is that every day it is making a new low. Okay, so how to even have a fine understanding and observation of the candles. ठीक है, जैसे on the first day, or this was like on a monthly basis, we are on a monthly basis, right? So on a monthly basis, Motherson Sumi has taken a resistance here. Okay, next month given you lower low, next month given a lower low, यहाँ पर ऊपर तो नहीं आया, it's not gone above this. Okay, then every month over month it is giving you a lower low. Even today, as of now, it is giving you a lower low. So possibly if I'm going for a new stock selection, I would not go for Motherson Sumi. Rather, I would go for something like Tata Motors, which is giving me a month over month, it is giving me a higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so this comes to your stock selection. अब भले सेक्टर अच्छा है, लेकिन उस सेक्टर में आप व्हीकल कौन सा सिलेक्ट करते हो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Okay, very important how you select the stock. Don't select a stock just because it is cheaper. Okay, and every month over month, look at the type of candles which are coming. Okay, at the resistance, if you see inverted hammer, one more inverted hammer. Okay, then this is like a spinning top. Highest time frame पे अगर आपको neutral candles आती है, especially at the earlier resistance, right? You have to understand that at least you have to wait. This is the caution from the candlestick which are telling you that, look, I'm giving you an inverted hammer, I'm giving you a doji, I'm giving you a spinning top at the top. So wait, don't enter now. Okay, and then this month price going here, but it did not sustain, and today also it is. If you see on the daily time frame में इतना ये gap down हो गया. Now, what is the reason for this gap down? Is there a split or something? This is given by something else. Okay, so why there is a big split could be some bad news. If anybody knows, you can share it into the thing. I have not seen the news related to this today. लेकिन अगर इसका कुछ, most probably I think there could be some news here. Okay, so Motherson Sumi का demerger. Okay, yeah, so demerger news on Motherson Sumi. So that's the reason it has not been taken as a positive cue, and it has come to this support. ये support के पास आ गया अभी. So if the demerger is not in a good sense for the shareholders, then that's the reason why the market has given this move. ठीक है, तो look out for this. अगर यहाँ से ऊपर भी जाता है, the possible chances that it might come here one more time. Okay, तो ऐसा ये जो stocks है ना, better to avoid these type of stocks. And now you know that why this thing was happening on monthly. Okay, news तो आज आ गई है, right? लेकिन इतने महीनों से ऐसा अगर हो रहा है, that means don't you think something was cooking up last so many months, और अभी ये आपके सामने आ गया. So biggest competitor was taken over by मदरसन सुमी. ओके, सो अगर ऐसा होता है, इतने कितने महीनों से एक इंडिकेशन वाज कमिंग दैट देयर समथिंग व्हिच इज कुकिंग एंड व्हिच इज नॉट गुड फॉर दिस स्टॉक, एंड दिस डे वाज द एक्चुअल डे व्हेन द न्यूज एक्चुअली केम आउट. ओके, और ये पहले से आपको बता रहा था कुछ तो गड़बड़ है यहाँ पे, प्राइस अगर ऊपर नहीं जा रही है. नाउ दिस इज मदरसन सुमी, एंड इफ आई सी लेट अस से निफ्टी ऑटो, okay, on the same time frame, nifty auto mein dekhta hu on daily, and if I see, okay, like daily if you see so many days it's going up, but if I see Motherson Sumi last so many days, okay, what's happening? Let us compare on a little higher time frame and see. थोड़ा higher time frame पे compare करते हैं nifty auto, and we can compare here. On this side I can take nifty auto, and here we can take यहाँ पर निफ्टी ऑटो लेते हैं, यहाँ पर we can take it, we'll take Motherson Sumi. ठीक है, so this is Motherson Sumi, this is nifty auto, and we'll take it probably the same. This is on weekly, and I'll take on weekly over here on nifty auto. So can you see that how is the movement here on Motherson Sumi last so many weeks? Okay, so इतने weeks से अगर ऐसा movement है, right? Let us compare apple with apple. When the market is at least going up, making a new high, from here to here, market made a new high, means the nifty auto made a new high. Okay, whereas Motherson Sumi made a new low, higher, lower high, and ये जो high है, this is lower as compared to this. This high was higher as compared to this. Okay, last 4 days, okay, it is going up, and this one आज इतना बड़ा fall हो गया from for Motherson Sumi this week. Okay, so compare the index and the stock individual side by side. ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. You can compare two stocks. If I put, say, let us say Tata Motors on the left hand side, यहाँ पे Tata Motors डालता हूँ, यहाँ पर Motherson Sumi, this is weekly, this is also weekly. Okay, so if you see from last what, from April also, April onwards, comparing the entire thing. So from here to here, up to here also possibly things were okay, it seems, right, up to this time. So till something like May, things were okay. After May, the things went bad for Motherson Sumi, but after May, things were very good for Tata Motors. So those stocks, select out of two stocks you want to select, keep these two stocks together. यहाँ पर Motherson Sumi, यहाँ पर Tata Motors. You'll come to know immediately which is good and which is bad. Okay, जो one which is not suitable, scrap it out. Okay, so first comparison would be where you compare on the left hand side the index or यहाँ पर individual stock. Second, once you have compared, let us say particular, let's say you have shortlisted 3-4 stocks, you can compare two stocks together at a time by putting them sideways. जैसे यहाँ पर Tata Motors लिया, यहाँ पर Motherson Sumi लिया. Okay, I hope you know this. If it is new for you, okay, are you learning this for the first time, this comparison, any of you? I already explained this, but अगर आप पहली बार आपको ये देख रहे हो तो just put it there first time. So possibly I might have missed it earlier. So is this comparison for any of you for the first time you are listening to this? Yeah, put it in the chat as first time. No? Okay, well, thank you. Because this is normally which I cover, and I hope you are using it. अगर आपने ये सुना है या देखा भी है अपने ट्रेनिंग में तो ये use करो. Okay, this is very useful for comparing the sector and also comparing the two stocks. Okay, so this was Tata Motors and this one. So auto sector is done. Let us go to Nifty. Any other sector anybody wants to prefer? देखना और कोई sector? Banking done, auto, realty, FMCG, then IT. 5 sectors we already seen. Or any others फरमाइश आपकी किसी की? Somebody wanted to see some stocks with DB Realty, Tata Consumer. DB Realty नहीं देखा. You'll see that. Then okay, Motherson Sumi you have seen. If you want, we can see DB Realty. Okay, now finally you're waiting for those 2-3 stocks which I told you I'm going to show you, right? Yes. So Deepak Nitrite, steel and metal. Yes, steel metal we have not seen. We'll see metal. Okay, so metal stock is good. Yes, thanks for reminding me. So this is DB Realty only, और ये DB Realty अगर देखते हो तो ये this was like again a penny stock. Be careful about these stocks. Like it was in upper circuit काफी टाइम से और आज भी शायद upper circuit में है. Could be some good reason for that. Or how is this on little higher time frames? Higher time frames space पे क्या है देखते हैं. So on higher time frames from 2018, it has come at this resistance. Okay, so look out for these resistances. Okay, this and this resistances could be strong resistance. Okay, ये और ये resistance के पास देखो क्या होता है. If it is breaking out of these also, then possibly you can think of entering, but not now. Okay, especially this and this, ये दोनों resistances बहुत पास में है, and more so because this is into a upper circuit last so many days. यहाँ पर sideways upper circuit, you never know when a stock might go in lower circuit, which happened with Tata Teleservices. Okay, Tata Teleservices had given like almost 3000% ROI over here. Okay, or last 3 days it is in a lower circuit. Okay, so and you can't do anything about it in the lower circuit. यहाँ पे कोई, there are no buyers, only very few buyers, and that too first come first served. And if you you might get stuck with a stock like that. Okay, cup shape अभी तक नहीं है. The cup is very small. It's only a cup. There is not a handle. Okay, so सिर्फ cup होगा, फिर बाद में handle होगा या क्या? I can't say anything. So if you find a cup probably of 2 years, and if you find a handle also after that, and then the breakout, you'll have to wait till that breakout time of the handle also. And if you see the handle, as I said, the first thing is either tell me or inform in the group if you have seen any cup and handles pattern. A cup and handle pattern possibly which may happen. Okay, may happen. I'm not saying that it will happen. Which I think could be a formation of the handle right now. Okay, so I told you if I find any cup and handle, I'll inform you. Remember? तो ये cup and handle अगर ऐसा अगर handle form हो रहा है तो, so if I take this as a cup and this I have taken it as a handle, और इसके breakout के बाद अगर if it starts giving you that 5x returns, then someone can have to keep a watch out for this. I'm sure many of you are already invested in this stock. Some of you, I know that you have taken this stock. तो अगर यहाँ पे इसका breakout दिखता है, that is the time you should put into the group, and everyone can take advantage of this. Okay, तो ये इतना बड़ा cup हो गया और फिर बाद में handle हो रहा है, that can be taken as a cup and handle. Okay, so जैसे cup and handle we had shown you in Tanla Solutions. तो Tanla Solutions में cup and handle really worked, and it had gone way past the 5x target also. And yes, so let me see. Yeah, so cup right now, cup is formed. It will take some time for the handle also to form. So wait for the handle to be formed. Now coming to the stocks, 2-3 stocks which I told you, which I'll be telling you about is ready. So are you ready for those 3 stocks which I want to say? If you are ready, then just type BIO. Bring it on. Yeah. Yeah, only Natasha wants. Sumantra. Okay, good. Thank you. So we will come. I'm going to show you one stock which I saw in our inner circle call today, which is IRCTC. Okay, so IRCTC काफी time का से ये breakout अभी हुआ है on daily time frame, and if I see on monthly time frame, on simple I will give you on like 5 EMA. Just see what's happening on 5 EMA. Okay, so 5 EMA. Daily the price is up. Let us see what's happening on weekly. Weekly also it is up. On monthly also it is, no, sorry, this is 9 EMA. Let me change it to 5. So monthly it is above 5 EMA. Weekly also it is above 5 EMA, जो इतने time से sideways था. और अभी daily also it is above 5 EMA and given you a trend line breakout. If you have done level 2, then you compare all the advanced indicators of Bollinger Band, then RSI, then stochastic, ADX, DMI. RSI has not yet crossed 60. 60 शायद भी possibly it might cross in a day or two. So look for RSI crossing 60. Those of you have done level 2. Okay, so that will be a good entry. और अगर Bollinger Band भी देखते तो शायद Bollinger Band यहाँ पे अभी it is just getting challenged here. Okay, so it will be starting of a good move. So from 900 to like 1300, 400 rupees over 900. So how much percentage? Around what? 40%. So 400 divided by 9. Sorry, we're taking as yeah, from 12 9 so around 400 rupees, right? So 375 divided by 900%, if you quote, around 41.6% for the price from here to here. Okay, so look here, when the price ऐसे जब sharp movements आते ना, IRCTC, everybody starts talking about one stock. Just drop it like a hot potato, leave it. Okay, it is 1 or 2 out of those 10 stocks might actually continue going up. And this only proves the point which I say that 8 to 9 stocks which move up like this vertically, they are going to come down. In fact, अगर यहाँ पे आपने खरीदा है ना, तो it would be a good move to exit by booking your profit. Okay, especially तो अगर इतना sharp move होता है तो 50% क्या पूरा 100% बेच दो, because इतना sharp move है, they are not going to sustain again. Okay, you can very well put that entire money along with the profit somewhere else. So if you have entered here somewhere like 700 and you got it exit at somewhere around 1250, you got 70-80% profit. Pura ka pura profit along with the original capital, remove it, put it somewhere else, and re-enter now. Okay, this would be time to re-enter again into the stock. After what? This was in October, so November, December, January. After 3 months, you are getting an opportunity at a much lower price. And one more time, you can possibly ride this wave from here to here. So look out for IRCTC. Second one is something which is already gone in upper circuit. Okay, already gone in upper circuit, and that is Coffee Day. Okay, so Coffee Day, there is nothing but the CCD. So what is happening? Coffee Day, Coffee Day. Yeah, yes, that's it. So this is Coffee Day Enterprise, already gone in upper circuit for the day. Monday, I can't say whether it will remain in upper circuit or what. Thoda sa ye, it's a little volatile. This would be again in the stocks which are high risk category. Okay, so again only positional trades or where you are keeping a very small amount of your capital for these type of trades. Okay, especially अगर ये upper circuit में जाने वाला अगर आप stock दिखता है तो, because today it was like an upper circuit for 20%. Don't expect that every day it's going to move up by 20%. Okay, so let this come down. थोड़ा अगर नीचे आता है, you can get it at a lower price and then go up, because another 20% from here, 65 का 20% कितना होता है? Like 13 rupees from here, 78 rupees. It would be too high already for this stock. Okay, to enter at that point of time. So wait, only if you get it at a valuation closer to, let's say, 58 or something. Okay, then possibly there could be an entry. The entry for this was some time back. Okay, when possibly there was a trend line breakout here. इसका entry कुछ दिन पहले था, यहाँ पर था, when there was like a trend line breakout, and then again price moving here sideways, and today ultimately again giving 20% this thing in upper circuit. The all-time high is quite high, around something like 380 or 400. Okay, and this fall, the next resistance is so high up. Okay, यहाँ पर है उसका next resistance. So that's the reason why it becomes a little bit more interesting. Obviously, subject to your stop loss and your target. अच्छा, ये क्या directly आएगा? Can't say anything. Okay, so you can maneuver your trade. See to it that you are getting your reward risk ratio. Reward risk ratio में अगर नहीं बैठ रहा है तो don't enter. And again, let me tell you that this is something which is little risky trades. So very small percentage of your capital should go into these type of trades. Okay. Now coming to the last one, okay, which is in the IT sector, which is this one, which I wanted to tell you was Affle. So Affle India is a stock which is in an uptrend, is a good uptrend stock. You can already see there's an uptrend, or here it was like it has crossed last week, and it has already gone up. Okay, so these stocks are not something which has already come for a correction. You already breakout hone ke they already gone up. So doesn't mean that you go and pick them up immediately. You need to have your proper stop loss and your system in place. जैसे यहाँ पर entry था for this stock. Okay, on this day when there was a breakout, someone could have entered on this day with little aggressive trade. और अभी भी 5 EMA के ऊपर है. Or if it goes, let's say sideways and then goes out, okay, that would be one trade. Like if you're going from, this was again a sideways movement. Okay, ये थोड़ा sideways movement का breakout था, ऐसे कर सकते हो. So you need to have your stop loss in place. Okay, stop loss. If you want to enter into trend which has already started moving, so keep your stop losses very small stop losses. Especially एक अगर यहाँ पे कोई enter करता है, this itself would be the stop loss. Okay, this itself would be the stop loss. Now, why would someone enter over here? Okay, the reason for that, why I am telling you, is because this is something which is in the would be like a third wave. If you, I mean, some of you may not be knowing what is the third wave, but ये एक third wave के जैसा है. That's the reason why you can actually chase. Now, third wave is what? It's an elite wave concept which I take. Last time I taken it for everyone. It is which I take it in the level 4, which is along with your financial analysis. Okay, there is a part of the financial analysis program which is level 4. तो उसमें एलियट वेव्स में लेता हूं. तो एलियट वेव्स में ये थर्ड वेव है, उसके लिए थोड़ा इसको चेस कर सकते थे यहाँ पर. सो दिस, बट लुक आउट फॉर दिस स्टॉक. दिस इज अ लाइक अ लॉन्ग टर्म गुड स्टॉक and wait for corrections. Okay, wait for correction even in this. So any stock, the methodology remains the same. Okay, but यहाँ पे बहुत टाइम से sideways था. So that's the reason why, you know, these breakouts are good. But again, two very big candles. Next week, can't say whether it's going to go up or whether it comes down. If it comes down, then good for you for correction. Okay, so this was AFL, then IRCTC, Coffee Day, these three stocks which are there. Other stocks which we had discussed last time, like Colgate and all. Okay, so Colgate, let us see where Colgate is today. Colgate शायद थोड़ा नीचे आ गया, right? Today it was like, it is still sideways. Okay, Colgate is sideways, and we had taken Britannia. So those stocks are still sideways. Okay, it had gone up, but again sideways for last 2-3 days. Weekly में कैसा है? Weekly it is okay, but making some progress. It has made a new high only this week. Okay, so these are the stocks which these are the levels, as I said. Look out for the breakouts and enter. So there will be two types of entries. One is when you enter here, and if you are entering, another one if you are entering above the after crossing the resistance, then be little careful. Only the stocks which are there probably in the third wave or something which are moving up, there you can enter in those stocks which have already started to move. Okay, so any other question? Now it's almost like 4:31 hours since Coffee Day is back in profit. That's the reason why it's going up. Yes, so Coffee Day का जो turnover कम है, but it is in profit. And then I was just checking the fundamentals in the last session, जहाँ पर उसका actually the reserves are like 4,000 crores, and their loans are just like 3,000 crores. Okay, turnover is less, but it looks like they are making some some improvement over there. Okay, so unlike other companies which are usually in debt, so this looks like a turnaround company. So turnaround देखते हैं कैसा होता है, how it performs. So for Coffee Day especially, you can keep a watch out. One stock which is like giving trouble to a lot of people, okay, is what? Paytm. Oh, Paytm is given what? आज एक green candle आ गया Paytm में. Okay, so the lowest was 1,000, और 1,000 से आज एक like a bullish engulfing here. ठीक है, तो bullish engulfing. Now this is what I call it as a foothold. यहाँ पर कुछ तो foothold मिला. Okay, anybody trying to catch here, okay, anyone trying to catch the price here, this would be like catching a falling knife. यहाँ पर falling knife के जैसा होता था. अगर यहाँ पे आज अगर, and when is this? Okay, so like hourly time frame पे जाते तो एक morning star आके then it's come up. Okay, let's see whether it closes above 5 EMA, and secondly whether it closes above this zone. Okay, so now the battle lines are drawn. ये आपका bullish engulfing का zone हो गया. Close above this, possibly a good entry. Again sideways, and if it closes below this, exit. ठीक है, तो आज कुछ some news, some positive news should be there, because of which this has come up, or this could be like taken as a support कि 1,000 rupees तक पहुंच गया, like the lowest point. And in Paytm, the highest, the price of issue was 2150. यानी literally you're getting at less than 50% of a stock which had been recent IPO. Okay, Policy Bazaar is also what? Let's come down. Policy Bazaar, fintech, PB fintech is Policy Bazaar. Yes, Policy Bazaar also is given a good move. Policy Bazaar like a morning star, and today close above the morning star. ठीक है, और यहाँ पर अगर हम देखेंगे तो एक divergences which we covering in level 2 वो भी दिख रहा है. So this looks a positive thing, and positive an entry in Policy Bazaar looks also like a trend line breakout with a morning star. तो morning star zone के ऊपर price closing above the morning star today was a good move, and price remaining above this, stop loss आपका यही है. Okay, तो ये I hope you understood what I mean by getting a foothold. Nowhere there is no point of entering here. Okay, यहाँ पर कुछ तो foothold मिला, कुछ तो reason होना चाहिए, कुछ तो weapon होना चाहिए आपके पास on the basis of which you're going to take a trade. So yes, now you got something. Okay, like for example in Paytm, now you got this. Yeah, yes, something is, I got a bullish engulfing here. Okay, till yesterday, where can you, how, on what basis do you take a trade? Okay, यहाँ पर जिसने भी खरीदा है, it was for him the stop loss was already hit here. Can you see this? Somebody buying here saying कि चलो यहाँ पर एक, it like a good, looks like a that the price is taking a support. Why? Because either this and this, you take this as your support, and the day the price closed below this, इसके नीचे जब भी close होगी, exit, because you never know whether it's going to go to 1,000 or it's going to go to 800 or 500, or whether it's going to bounce back. On the way up, if you're buying something, it is still good, but don't buy on the way down. Okay, so with this, said this, any final observations or stocks? I think that is sufficient for today. And that, so the second week into 2022 is quite good and promising. Let's see it. Hopefully it should continue the same trend which is happening. अगर नहीं भी होता तो आपका individual stocks पे keep your stop losses and your targets ready कि हाँ ये मेरा target है, ये मेरा stop losses है. And especially find a steep move, either don't enter, or if you already entered at a lower point, it would be a good level to exit and book your profits. Okay, so with this, I will close today's session. Thank you very much for attending. If you've got any questions, you can put it directly to me also. और अगर आप group में हो तो group में भी आप डाल सकते हो, and we can handle those questions there. Also, I would request you, many of you are not putting your studies into the group. I am the only one putting some studies every day. तो जो भी आपको कुछ study दिखता है, आपका कोई study है, there's a breakout, you find that some stock is good, even if it is, you think that is not correct, just put it into that group. Okay, अपने group में डालो, because it is like a collective energy for everyone, right? So अगर आपने कुछ share किया, अगर सच्ची, I mean, if really it is really quite good, and maybe others can take advantage, and if somebody else puts some their studies, it can be helping you. So it's a good platform for exchanging your studies in that. So do share your trades if you're taking, or any study also. हो सकता है आपने trade नहीं लिया, लेकिन आपको आपने कुछ study देखा है, तो वो भी आप डालो. If it is wrong, I will correct it कि नहीं ये गलत है. Okay, or even other members who are quite confident of the study, you're also free to correct if somebody else puts any study there. Okay. So with this, I'll close today's session, and I'll see you next Friday, or if you are attending any of the programs, I'll see you in those programs. The next level 1, Learn and Earn, is going to start after around 12 days. So any of your friends or a relative, somebody wants to join, you can refer them or put me a message, and then we'll follow from there. Okay, so thank you once again. This is Paresh Desai. I'll see you next week. Bye.